How to download Java for Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to download the latest version of Java on your Windows, first of all open any browser and search for Oracle Java. After that, click on this first link provided by www.oracle.com. You can see the latest release on the top. If you scroll down a bit, you can see different Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Tap on the Windows folder and then you have to tap on this second link, which is for the JDK package download x64 installer. Once installed, you can check on your download section to check the updates. Once that is done, just click on it, tap on yes for the permissions and the installation will start. Once the permission is asked, tap on next, and then the status can be checked, such as copying files, extracting files and downloading various stuffs. Once it is completed, you can either check the recent releases or you can close it as well. Now let us move on towards the environmental variable setup for your Java. For that, open the File Explorer, go to this PC and then into Windows C. Once you have clicked on the drive C, you have to go on Program Files, under which you can see the Java folder. Click on it and then on JDK21. Then tap on bin and then click on its path. Make sure to copy it as it is and then go to the search bar and search for environmental variable. Once that is done, tap on the environmental variable button and then under system variable, tap on path and then into edit. Now tap on the new button and copy the path as it is. Now you can click on OK and this way you have set up the path as well. Now let us go and check the Java installation. For that, open your command prompt and check for the version by tapping in Java space 2 hyphens and version. And just by that, the download and installation is completed. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.